Hey guys, this was filmed in the mountains in South America. Another video sent this way. They didn't know if it was a UFO or a bird orb. This object comes very fast through here. We know what it is. This is an orb. This is another object that we see flying around, around 600 miles an hour over the tree line, and very, very fast. This is again white orb. We don't know what these things are doing. If they're messengers, drones, we don't know. These things are very small, very fast, and this is just how they are. Right here, there it is, right there. What are you guys thinking? I mean, I know that these things are intelligent beings. These things are intelligent. They turn. They're definitely. They're definitely not something we know. They're not birds, drones. They're not. This drone though definitely picked it up. It was definitely filming very nice. This was filming in 1080 at 120 frames per second. Very clear. You can see this object very well until it gets very close, and then you do have some blur. But either way, it's still. What is that little thing underneath there? I was looking at this right here, but that's nothing. Oh wait, that is something. See that right there? Something flying along with it right there. Interesting. Very interesting. It's following it right there. You see it? There it is. There's two objects here. This is recently, I just found this as I'm recording this. This is very interesting. Alright, so there's two objects. There's an object right there, and unless you have it in a big screen or HD, you're not going to be able to see this. So that object, I'm going to track it back as far as I can go. Again, I have a big screen here and it's still hard for me to see. But this object is now gone, but it comes out of this area right here. You can see it right there. Right there. There it is. Came out of this area right in this zone. So now it came out. It's like it senses it, and it's like they fly together. I don't know, but you can see it. There it is, right there. It's so strange. But there are two objects in this. There's one there, and there's one there. So, this is not the first time I've seen two flying together. But either way, it's a very interesting, man. Very interesting. Again, there it is, right there, flying along the lower area, and this thing's up top. It makes me want to see a little more of the video, but I'm just trying to get the point across to you guys that these things are unknown and strange, and some kind of entities that we are not aware of. But you guys definitely look into this stuff. Again, if you do like UAPs and you want to see more of these, like real UAPs, I'm not saying other people don't have UAPs, but there's so much trash nowadays on YouTube. You don't know what you're getting. Unless I fully have done my homework and really showed others who said, yeah, this is crazy, this is not. These are the ones that I'm sharing with everyone else. But guys, again, if you like it, please subscribe, like, and we will be doing more. I'm going to be doing more of these videos. I'm going to be doing some stories about real encounters, maybe some personal stories. Not sure yet if I want to talk about my own stories yet, eventually. But I do have other stories of people who have emailed me over the years, some amazing stories that I have never talked about. And it's time to share these things. It's just time. Guys, peace out. Love yous. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you like the video. Comment below what you think it is, and we will be back hopefully tomorrow. Try to do these one every day. Summer, I'm off this whole summer. We are doing it as we go. Let's go.